here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your English teacher, and today we are going to see the irregular forms of comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives and some exercises on the degrees of adjective. Okay, so we have already discussed what are adjectives, right? An adjective is a word used to modify a noun or a pronoun. Adjective answer the question, right? What kind, which one, how many, and how much. We have already discussed the adjective degrees. So there are three types of degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive degrees are used in the simplest form and there is no comparison. They are used only for description. Comparative degree are used to compare one thing with another, right? One thing with another, and mostly it adds a suffix er to the बेस फॉर्म या फिर उसके आगे मोर ऐड होता है, राइट? इफ बिग देन बिगर और ब्यूटीफुल मोर ब्यूटीफुल. सिमिलरली सुपरलेटिव डिग्री कब यूज होता है? व्हेन वन थिंग इज कंपेयर्ड टू मेनी एंड मोस्टली इट एंड्स विद द est suffix to the base form or we use most before the base form. तो ये मोस्टली डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन फॉर्म करने के रूल्स होते हैं. वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन द एग्जांपल्स आल्सो. Now what we are going to see is irregular or forms जहाँ पर ये रूल फॉलो नहीं होता है. दैट मीन्स कि कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में या तो er सफिक्स आएगा या मोर आएगा एंड सुपरलेटिव में est सफिक्स आएगा या मोस्ट आएगा. They have different comparative forms and superlative forms than the usual one, the regular one. Let us see. The first example is good. Now the base form is good and if I have to use the rule then कैसे होना चाहिए? more good या most good, or you can say good, gooder, goodest. But it is not true for the word good. Good के लिए you need to use the comparative form better and superlative form best. Similarly bad, worse, worst, right? Bad के लिए कौन से दो फॉर्म है? worst and worst. That means they are irregular. वो बेस फॉर्म से कनेक्टेड नहीं है. मोर या मोस्ट या est नहीं यूज होता. सिमिलरली लिटिल, व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग लिटिल इन फॉर्म ऑफ अमाउंट. अगर आप किसी एडजेक्टिव को यूज कर रहे हैं लिटिल एडजेक्टिव को एज टू कंपेयर द अमाउंट, देन द कंपेरेटिव डिग्री विल बी लेस एंड लिस्ट. एंड इफ यू आर यूजिंग द लिटिल वर्ड टू कंपेयर द साइज, देन यू विल यूज स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. सिमिलरली मच, मेनी की कंपेरेटिव फॉर्म होंगे मोर, मोस्ट. फार, इफ यू आर कंपेयरिंग फार विथ प्लेस एंड टाइम, देन इट विल बी फर्दर, फर्देस्ट. एंड इफ यू आर टेकिंग फार टू कंपेयर प्लेस, तो हम फार्दर, फार्देस्ट यूज करेंगे. सिमिलरली लेट. नाउ इफ यू आर कंपेयरिंग लेट और यूजिंग लेट एडजेक्टिव टू कंपेयर टाइम, अगर आपको टाइम कंपेयर करना है तो हम उसको कंपेरेटिव फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? लेटर एंड सुपरलेटिव में लेटेस्ट. But if you are taking or comparing using late adjective to compare order, right? Order मतलब कि first कौन है, last कौन है, वैसे तो if you are taking the latter and last होगा comparative superlative. मतलब कि order और place में time में दोनों positive form में तो same होता है लेकिन उनका comparative form change हो जाता है. Similarly, if you use near to compare two places, then nearer and nearest. And if you use nearer to show the order, right? कौन पास में है, कौन दूर है, then we don't have comparative degree but we have superlative, that is next. Similarly, when old word is used, old adjective is used to compare people and things, then we use the comparative form older and the superlative form oldest. But old adjective is used only to compare people. अगर सिर्फ लोगों को कंपेयर करना है, ह्यूमन बींग्स को कंपेयर करना है, तो हम कंपेरेटिव फॉर्म में क्या लिखेंगे? एल्डर, और सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म में एल्डेस्ट. ओके, सो दिस आर सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल ऑफ इरेगुलर कंपेरेटिव्स एंड सुपरलेटिव्स. सो वन मोर टाइम आई विल read it for you and please read it with me. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Little, smaller, smallest. Much, many, more, most. Far, further, furthest. Far, farther, farthest. Late, later, latest. Late, latter, last. Near, nearer, nearest. Near, next. Old, older, oldest. old, elder, eldest. So these are the some of the example for irregular, comparative and superlatives. We have also seen different examples, right? So please learn them. I'll provide you the PDF and also complete it, right? Now I have some exercise because we need to practice what we learn, right? So this is practice time. So you know the rules to use the comparative, the positive and superlative. Suppose you are describing one thing, एक ही thing describe कर रहे हो, directly use the positive form of that adjective, right? If you are comparing two things, use the comparative form, and if you are comparing one thing with more, many more, then you use the superlative degree. Okay, समझ में आ गया रूल? अब यहाँ पर इन्होंने कुछ फिलअप्स दिए हैं and they have given us adjectives in the bracket. You will see in each sentence, right? तो आपको क्या करना है? You have to use the correct degree of the adjective that they have given in the bracket. आपको correct degree of adjective use करना है according to the sentences. So first read the sentence and then decide whether we will use the comparative degree or positive or superlative degree of the given adjective. ठीक है? Let us see. Now the population of Moscow is dash than the population of Bogota. Now population of Bogota and Moscow are being compared. दो लोग चीजों को कंपेयर करते हैं तो we use comparative degree. So I will use the comparative form of the adjective big, that is bigger. Now it has been dash summer in 50 years. Now this year's summer is compared to the summers from last 50 years. Last 50 years के जितने भी समर थे उनसे अभी का समर कंपेयर किया गया और क्या कहा गया कि ये सबसे हॉटेस्ट है, ये सबसे हॉट है. That means we will use the superlative degree. So we can write it has been the hottest summer in 50 years. We use the with superlative degrees. Everybody is working hours than before. Now here the working hours are compared, अभी के working hours और before के working hours. So there is comparison. So we will use the second form or comparative form, that is longer. Everybody is working longer hours than before, right? जो पहले work करते थे उनसे ज़्यादा work अभी कर रहे हैं. So comparison between two things, two situations. In summer the days get dash. Now here there is no comparison. Summer days के बारे में बताया तो we can say the days of the summer are compared with the days of winter. So I can use longer, right? In summer the days get longer. It has been dash long journey of my life. Now this is the longest, so it will be the longest journey of my life. Yesterday I felt sick, but today I am much good. So what will be the correct form? You can use the better, right? Because I am comparing my my state of being from yesterday today. It is better, ज़्यादा अच्छा है. It is the funniest program I have ever watched. Now I have watched many programs, but this is the funniest. ये सबसे funny program है जो मैंने देखा. The exam dash difficult than the, it should be the here, student expected. Now the exam was more difficult than the students expected. जो students ने expect किया था उससे exam क्या ज़्यादा difficult थी. So there is a comparison. Now I have one more example here. Fill in the blanks with the right form of adjectives in the bracket. Now they have given here two, heavy or light. You can use either of them and you have to use the correct form, right? Your bag is heavier than mine, or you can use your bag is lighter than mine. I am comparing two bags, so there should be a comparative. So I am using here heavier. Now it's dash rule of all. Now one rule is compared to all, so most difficult. This pen writes dash than my previous one. Now two pens are being compared, so it will be better. This pen writes better than my previous one. This athlete is dash than his competitor. Now at first athlete is compared to his competitor, so stronger, right? Comparative degree. This pupil is dash in the class. Now one pupil is compared to the whole class, so it will be the superlative form, that is cleverest. This is dash castle in Britain, so it will be also oldest castle. Health is dash important, more important than money. Very good. This path is dash than, yes, narrower. Very good. Kenyans are dash sprinters. Now good, so it will be the best. Luxurious hotels are dash expensive than those of economic classes. More expensive. Got it? So this is the exercise we have done it, and I hope you have understood that which form of adjective or which degree of adjective we have to use. So दो लोगों में दो चीज़ों में compare होता है, we use, and mostly they have then in this sentence. You can see जहाँ जहाँ comparative use किया there is a then, right? So this is also one thing you can look for, and you should see that whether the sentence is comparing two things, use the superlative form. Whether the sentence is describing things, then use the when the sentence is comparing two things, use the comparative form. When the sentence is describing things, positive form, and when one thing is compared to many, use superlative form. Okay, so I hope you have understood the degrees of adjectives. So we have learned what are adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun, right? And it has 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. So I hope you have understood what I have taught. So this is all for today. Thank you.